I'd like to introduce you to our first product, which we call the EL84 One. Tube amplifiers right now are running in the thousands of dollars, especially monoblocks. So what we've done is we've created a package that you can build by yourself and have a monoblock amplifier, but at a lower cost. We've tried to reduce that cost point for you so that you can have tube audio without having to spend a fortune. The sound quality is very good. It has a solid walnut case, metal chassis, and everything that you need, right down to the last nut, bolt, screw, and washer, is included in this kit, along with a fully illustrated instruction manual. This amplifier is a Class A ultralinear amplifier that runs on an EL84 tube. It is 100% vacuum tube technology. There is not a single solid state component in this amplifier. Welcome back to Daystrom Audio. My name is Mike, and I'd like to introduce you to the rest of the team. This is Jeannie, my wife.
Hello.
And we are Daystrom Audio. So we have created this amplifier kit, and it sounds amazing, looks great, and we think you guys are going to like it. Now, right next to it is its brother, which has not been built yet. So this is a monoblock, which means you have one channel. If you want stereo, you have to have two. So this is the left channel. The right channel is sitting in this box unassembled. A lot of you guys might be wondering if you're capable of building an amplifier from a kit. And so what I'm going to do today is try to demonstrate the fact that yes, you can do this. My wife here has no knowledge of electronics. She's never built anything like this before, so we're going to have her try building one of these. If she can do it, anybody can do it.
Oh yeah. If I can do it, even a 12-year-old can do this.
Right. We would love to see these amplifiers out there in the real world playing music and being enjoyed and loved by people all over the world.
Yes.
So it all starts right here. That's unit number one. Today we're going to build unit number two. The first step is check all of the parts and make sure that they're here. Now we pack these at the factory and we go through a checklist to make sure they are, but you should double check us too because we might make a mistake. So there's a checklist in the manual here. So
Yes.
Why don't you go ahead and...
First item is choke 5 Henry. It says 156L on it. That's all I can tell. So that's a choke in there.
That is a choke.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, the second capacitor is 100 UF. There is one of those. And that was 47. 47.
So this is how we do it. We just sit down and just work our way through the inventory step by step, check them off as you go, set things aside, and then eventually you get through the list and everything hopefully should be 100% there. If you can't find something, try looking in a different bag.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pull out all of our resistors. Resistor R1. I gotta find it on here first. Brown, black, black, brown, brown. Oops. Tips stick together. Brown, black, black, brown, brown. Okay, this is the one. It says an R1.
Mm-hmm. So now you locate the component R1 on the circuit board.
Okay,
So here, let me show you something real quick.
Okay.
So what I like to do is I'll take the resistor on my finger like this and I'll just bend it over. The other thing you can do is take your needle nose pliers and form it that way. Needle nose pliers tend to give you a nice crisp edge. So use whatever you think is more appropriate.
okay.
The polarity, there is no polarity with resistors.
Good thing. Okay, it says to put it in there and bend them at the 45 degree. Like that, correct?
Yep, just like that.
The next step is to solder all of the leads to the back side pads and clip off the tails. So first get it hot. Is that right?
Yeah, and feed the solder in between them.
In between them.
Yep.
Alrighty, we got them all soldered up. Now, how far down do I clip them? Is it okay to go all the way down here?
Yes, it should be all the way to the top of the solder ball.
Okay.
I recommend holding on to the lead so it doesn't go flying.
Will they go flying?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they're great projectiles.
Now, I've seen some of your soldering, and this definitely looks amateur. But it's okay.
Well,
they're on, and they'll work.
yeah, it's passable. No, it's actually pretty good. She did a good job. I'm making sure she does a good job because the SAMP is going up for sale.
Okay, those are all clipped. It looks pretty self-explanatory. Is this correct? You just put them right in there?
That's right. Put it in
Okay.
and take a look at it. Make sure it's sitting level.
I think that's level. Is that correct?
That looks pretty good. I would check it in 2 different directions.
Bend them over with just anything?
Yeah, just give it a push with your pin there.
Now that purpose is just to hold it in place before we solder it?
Correct.
And
Yeah.
then we do this one, correct?
Yeah, it's strictly mechanical. You don't want to rely on your solder joints to hold the tube socket in place. That's not a good mechanical connection. So rolling those 2 pins over is going to make sure it stays put.
The notch in the center hole must line up with the line which is printed on the circuit board.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh wow, it kind of goes around that circle
Yes.
as it's filling in.
Yes, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do.
Okay, C4 and C5. That's these 2 little ones here. Okay, observe polarity. So the plus is there, the negative is up there. So it's got to go in this way. Oop, I missed. There we go. This is looking really good.
It is.
I can't believe I did it.
Check this out. That's really good. Very good workmanship there. So just squeeze it all the way
Okay.
down and then
Squeeze it.
pull it away.
Pull it away.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice and easy.
That was good. You held onto the wire so that it didn't strain the transformer.
Oh, I didn't think about that. I just naturally did it.
Yep.
All right, next is section 2. Install the rear panel hardware. All right. The wording is this way, so I'm guessing it goes up this way?
That's correct.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, mount it in the upper position. Okay, there is a flat circle on here. Does it have to go in any certain position?
I recommend that it either go vertical or horizontal, just so
Not
that it looks
crooked.
good. Yeah, just don't make it crooked.
Okay.
Just make it look nice. You're probably the only person who's ever going to look inside your amplifier, unless you like showing it off to your friends. But if you do, it's nice to have your terminals flat.
Section 3, prepare the power transformer. Yellow is 5 1/4. Clip it. It doesn't say strip it, it says clip it. Is this correct? I'm afraid to cut it.
Okay, so the chart says cut the yellow wire to 5 1/4 inches. So,
Yeah.
so we're measuring
So
from the
taking it
end
from
bell.
down here
Yep.
or up there.
Nope. From right here,
Okay.
and then you go to 5 1/4 inches, and you'll make the cut right there.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and melt that thing down. See how it's shrinking?
Yeah.
Okay, keep moving it around. Move it around. Get the top too. You just got to put it in the flame. Just a little bit. Keep it close. Keep it close. Yep. Keep it going. Do the whole thing. There you go. Keep it going. Keep moving it. Back and forth, back and forth.
This is the middle of a hot, muggy summer, and
It is very hot
I
today.
do not like
It's probably
having
about
flame
100
all over.
degrees in this room right now. All right, that's good. Yeah, so just go ahead and drop those in place. And then we'll put some tape on there and hold it. So y'all can see.
Yes. Okay, let's put the output transformer in. Got it oriented correctly, the blue and white, the yellow and white. Okay, set it right in there. Boy, that's tight. Okay, place the printed circuit board onto the chassis as shown in illustration 10. Back over here. Circuit board this direction. Alrighty. These in here. Helps to get it on the right hole. There we go. Make sure it's in the right direction. All is good.
Just push it. Keep going.
There we go.
That's right.
Okay, these go like that. Okay, connect one end to the L terminal of the power entry module solder. Like that?
Yes. There's only one way it can go in there, so just go ahead and push it in until it clicks.
Okay.
That's it, just like that.
Connect the power cord to the power entry module.
This is starting to get scary, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, well here's the power cord.
Okay.
This is your project. I'm just the coach.
A great coach, by the way. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay.
Yep, plug that in.
That fits in there real nice.
Well, we've reached the point now where we've done everything that there is to do except to turn it on.
Yeah. Yes, I'm scared. I'm nervous. I cannot help it.
It even asks you in the manual, are you nervous yet? And that's a great question, and really something to think about too, because you should be. You've just built something from scratch, it's never been tested, and so I encourage you to go back through the manual, check everything, make sure everything is where it's supposed to be before you start this thing up. And if you did everything correctly, you should have no problem.
I'm looking forward to that.
Okay.
Let's find out.
All right, we have the power cord connected. We have our meter standing by.
Make sure that the plates on switch is in the off position. That's up front. Can you
Check.
check? Okay. Make sure that no tubes are installed, no audio or speakers connected.
Nothing connected here,
Correct.
no tubes installed.
Connect the power cord to the AC power.
Check.
This is the scary part. Press the plates on switch. Confirm that the switch lights up.
Okay,
Oh,
go ahead. All right, the light is on.
and nothing blew up.
Nothing blew up.
No smoke. Ah, it looks good.
That's great.
We did
Now,
it.
what that's doing is it's telling you right now that your filament power supply for the tubes is working because the lamp is run off those filament supplies. All right, what's next?
Okay. Measures pins 2 and 8 at the top of socket V1.
Okay. This is socket V1 right here.
Okay. 2 and 8.
2 and 8.
You should see 5 volts.
Why am I doing this?
Good question. is my fun. Okay, where can we put this so that they can see it too? All right. Okay, does it matter which one goes into which?
It does not. We're set to AC volts. So I've turned this around so that it's similar to what you see there. So go ahead and put those probes in.
I see. That would be in this one, correct?
No.
Does that look like 2?
No.
No, that is 2.
That's 2.
And one right there is 8.
Okay, what do you see?
It's bouncing all over the place. 5.2.
5.2?
5.2.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
We should see 5 volts AC, which we do.
Thank you. Okay, the next one says measure pins 4 and 6 at the top of socket V1.
Okay, we are now measuring, looking for about 500 volts.
So change it so we can adjust it.
Yep.
Okay, and 4 is 1, 2, could you, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and 5, 6. Okay. 504, yes.
500 volts, very close, 504 volts.
Alrighty.
That's perfect.
Measure pins 4 and 5 at the top of V3. Which one is V3 again?
That one right there.
This one over here?
Yes.
Okay, and it says to measure pins 4 and 5, and we should get 6.3 volts. 4 and 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5?
Don't touch the probes together.
6.4, 6.3, okay, we're good.
Okay, so all the voltages is very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nothing is blown up yet.
Okay, next it says turn off the amplifier. Okay, with the amplifier off, connect your voltmeter negative lead to the chassis with a clip lead. What does that mean? Connect your voltmeter negative.
That's this one. So put the clip on the probe.
On the probe.
Put it down lengthwise like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, push it in. Okay.
Push it all the way in.
Now this makes it to where you can connect the meter to the
chassis. So just connect it like this?
No, because you're on paint, so you're going to want to hook it up to something metallic like this stud right down here would be good.
Okay, set the meter to read DC volts at a range that can read 350 volts.
Check.
Okay, carefully insert only the 5AR4 rectifier tube in socket V1. This one. Okay. Taking care to line up the key with the socket's key. Okay, line that up. Okay. And that's in?
Nope, you gotta kind of rock it and push at the same time.
Rock it and push.
Yeah, just gently rock it and push it down.
This is kind of
it'll pop
scary
out.
because it's glass.
There you go.
Oh,
So it just-
okay.
It just snaps right in.
Turn on the amplifier. Did you see I got a little nervous again? Yeah, I am. Okay. Okay, turning it on. There's a little hum. Oh, that's the fan up above. Never mind. Observe the tube and confirm that the filament is glowing.
Do you see it there?
I do. There's a little orange thing right there.
Yep, that's the filament.
Okay. With the meter, take a reading on pad 9 on the printed circuit board with the positive lead. After After a delay of several seconds, the voltage should begin to climb and stabilize at about 350. Okay.
It's probably
Pad
there
9
by now. Pad
on
9
the
is the red wire.
circuit board. How will I know that in the book, though?
Because it's printed on the circuit board.
Oh, is it? Good. Okay. Pad 9 is the red one?
Yes.
And don't touch the sides, or is...
You can touch the sides. You're okay.
This is precaution it gave me, so
I
now
know.
I'm nervous.
Well, this is all insulated, so you're okay.
Okay.
What do we have?
350. Well, that didn't take long at all. It's already there.
350 volts. Well, you spent so much time reading the manual that it started
Had
ramping
time.
up and not really.
Okay.
But if you cold start it and measure it, it's going to start ramping up. But it takes a few seconds. It has a soft start feature. It's inherent in this tube so that it doesn't just come on suddenly. It's really nice for keeping your tubes nice and easy so they don't wear out prematurely.
That sounds great. Shut the power down to the unit. Okay. Carefully install 12AX7 vacuum tube into socket to V2. 12AX7. There we go. Okay,
This one is V2.
thank you. All right. Carefully install EL84 tube in the socket V3.
This is where all the magic is, this tube right here.
Is it?
That is the magic. The legendary EL84.
Whoa. Alrighty. And make sure my pins are lined up. They are all straight.
Good.
That was a little scary, but I'm getting more comfortable with that.
Well, it's done.
Yes, it is. Sounds good so far. It looks good. There's no smoke, there's no humming. We got the speakers connected, we got the audio connected. It's plugged in.
There's only one thing left to do.
I was afraid of that. Ah! The final test.
All right, guys, let's see what happens. Okay, go ahead and reach over, turn that on. Now, all of the tubes are coming on for the first time. We'll give them a minute to warm up.
I see light there, I see light there and there.
Great,
Yeah.
great. Now we use our senses. Do you smell anything?
I don't.
Okay, good, good.
I don't see anything funny either.
No smoke. You don't hear any strange noises.
Nope.
Okay. That was a text coming in.
Okay, let's try some sound.
All right, let's do this.
Okay. It's coming through the speaker.
That's good. Works.
That sounds really good. Wow.
I think we need to hook up the other one and have stereo.
Oh yes, let's try that.
congratulations.
Well, thank you.
That sounded nice.
And congratulations to you.
Thank you. Well, I built this one and she built this one, so.
But you designed a great product.
Thank you.
I
Thank
love
you.
it.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. The EL84 tube just has some kind of magic going on with it. And you listen to different genres of music and you really appreciate how smooth and how clean this thing is. Anyway, I think that's it for now, but I just wanted to prove that anybody can build one of these if they have any basic skills and can read directions and follow directions. You can have a really nice sounding stereo.
Yes.
All right, thanks for watching.